So here's how to connect a credit card on QuickBooks. First of all, open up your browser and search for QuickBooks. After that, click on the first link as shown here. Then, you need to log into your QuickBooks account or buy a subscription. So once you're in your dashboard, what you need to do is go to the left panel and hover over Transactions. From here, click on Bank Transactions. So once you're here, you'll get to see multiple options available under Transactions. And over here, you'll get to see two options, Connect Account and Upload Transactions. Click on Connect Account. Now, wait for this page to load up. So here, as you can see, you have the option to connect your bank or credit card. You can scroll through and select any of these names or click on Show More to get additional options. So now, just select your bank and connect your credit card on QuickBooks.